Hello everyone. First trade of the week. Been very patient of this week. Luckily got this beautiful buys right here. Let's do the context. Okay. The daily is bullish, I bearish. At support, right? It's the previous candle is bearish, but likely at support right here. Okay, so maybe this candle right here is can reject for this to continue to go up, or maybe stuck in this breakout level from the past, right? And the 4R right here is what I have the confidence in taking the buys. The 4R close bearish, but where? At support. Okay, bearish, but at support. So target up. So maybe we could, it moves down, the 4R moves down, to create a bottom wait for this to reject this area right here. So expecting a rejection in after tapping the 4R support. 1R bearish, but where? At support. This added the confirmation that maybe we could reject this area right here, 1R at support. Then 30 also is at support. So okay, maybe it's gonna reject this area right here to move up, maybe test this uh breakout level right here at minimum. Okay. I saw this and I saw this 15-minute breakout. Waited for this 15-minute breakout and initiate the buys. That's it. It hit the TP and that's the trade. See you in the next video.